This fridge is cool in a whole new way. Say hello to your retro chic bookshelf. Storage just got a serious style upgrade. Who says fire hydrants are just for dogs? This sink's ready to rescue your bathroom with a splash of quirky cool. Spin your wine night right. This record player is playing a new tune, straight from the vineyards to your home. Row, row, row your nap. This swing bed is taking your chill sessions to new heights without even leaving your yard. Fill her up, your glass that is. This gas pump faucet is fueling your kitchen with a dash of playful innovation. Ready for a beauty journey? This suitcase vanity case has you packed and prepped for a style adventure. Time for the spotlight. This film reel clock is starring in your home theatre, bringing movie magic to every second. Stitching a new story. This desk spins old-school vibes with modern functionality, perfect for your work-from-home glow-up.